how to upload design from Canva to Mailchimp. So first, go to Canva, of course, and then just, for example, this is the design that I want to upload to Mailchimp. So what you need to do here is just download the design first. So just click on share at the top right, and then click on download, and then just click, make sure that this is PNG, and then just click on download. Okay, now after downloading it, go back to Mailchimp, and then I'll just open up one of my emails. So just click on edit, and then I'll just click on edit design here. So to upload the design that I created earlier, you just need to click on this one, then click on add image. Okay, and then from here, just need to drag it here. As you can see, it's uploading. Okay, as you can see, now I've just uploaded my design to Mailchimp. So that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.